you so much for watching. So with New Year's just a couple days away, I wanted to add this look for you guys. So it's easily inspired by all the confetti that drops when the ball drops and it becomes a new year and everyone screams, Happy New Year! And I think that time is the most exciting time because it's almost like a restart and a new beginning. Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to achieve this look, then keep on watching and I'll see you next year. So having my right eye already done for you guys, I am going to be following that with the eyeshadow base. And I'm going to be picking this up and I'm going to apply it to my entire lid. And this is in the color Beach Blonde. Picking up the Nicole Guerrillo palette, I'm going to be taking this gold metallic highlight and I'm going to be adding it to my entire lid, and it is the color Glow Getter. Then I'm going to be taking this brown matte color from the Carly by Belle palette, and I'm going to be taking my blending brush and using that brown and going to go right into the crease with this color. So here you're going to keep seeing me blending and blending because I'm trying to get that desired look that I want, and not too harsh, but this brown is really hard to work with. So here I'm giving my eye more depth, and so I'm going to be picking up that same angle brush and that same color, and I'm going to be using that brush and draw a line right into my crease. And the reason why you're going to want to do this is because later on when you apply that glitter, you want this to stand out clear. So here you're taking that same blending brush and you're going to blend all this out, because I know what you're thinking. You're going to be thinking, oh my god, this is too dark, or this looks too crazy, and want to wipe it all off. But trust me, in the end, it's not going to look crazy once it's all put together. So here I'm taking a black eyeliner by L'Oreal called Infallible Never Fail eyeliner, and I'm going to be giving myself a line across my entire lid, and then I'm going to be giving myself a slight wing going right into my crease. Now time for some glitter, and I'm going to be using my all-nighter spray and a little bit of hairspray, and if you don't have any of that, in a place you can use eye drops or Fix Plus. I picked up these from the craft store a while ago, and they're the bigger size glitter, but be careful, you can use them on your eyelids, but obviously just be careful and make sure it sticks to your eyelid. Now after you apply your glitter, you're going to have to go over your eyeliner. So I'm grabbing this Maybelline pen, and it's waterproof, and I'm going to go over the same line I applied earlier. So here slightly, I'm just going to go back over the same work I did earlier, but I'm going to be taking that same angle brush and going over that crease and fixing up in areas. So once you apply your eyelashes, then you're going to keep on blending that crease until the brown is that perfect shade of brown you like. So I'm taking that highlight color in Forever Lit in that same palette, and I'm going to be highlighting my inner tear duct and my brow bone. For concealer, I'm adding Tarte Shape Tape underneath my eyes to fix any fallout or any dark circles that it may cause, and to give us a nice clean look. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier, and I'm going to be dabbing that underneath where I applied that concealer to make sure during New Year's or my New Year's party it does not budge. Then add mascara. I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite right now, and it is the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Mascara. So for lip liner, I'm going to go in with Mary Jo by Kylie Cosmetics. This is the only red I have, and I think it's like the perfect red. It don't have too much blue undertones or purple undertones. So let me know if you know of a great red lip liner. Following that, I'm going to go in with my matte liquid lipstick in Mary Jo. So here I'm taking that same eyeliner and I am just making these red lips as perfect as possible, and I feel like with any red lip, like every line or imperfection shows, so I'm just fixing all that up and then also going in with a little bit of concealer to straighten up them fine lines. So if you would like to highlight your Cupid's bow, then do so now. I'm going to go in with that same Forever Lit highlighter, metallic holographic color that's absolutely amazing, and I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow. Alright you guys, so that completes this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next year.
When I woke, the world was new. I never had to ask.